How to connect multiple JBL speakers together. How to connect multiple JBL speakers together. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, ensure all speakers are compatible with the same technology. Turn on the speakers and pair one of them with your device via Bluetooth. Once connected, press the PartyBoost or Connect Plus button on the paired speaker. Then press the same button on the additional speaker. They will sync automatically, allowing you to enjoy synchronized audio across all devices. And you can also see this kind of image on your phone from which you have connected your device. And that's how you connect multiple JBL speakers together. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.